Okay, so I'll be using my Gmail account and password, which is registered in this platform. Okay, so once I logged in, I'll be directly landing to the home page of this TurboDev platform. So in the home page, you can see right in contacts, action buttons, contact tab, broadcast, chat inbox, and you will be getting the overall metrics. So I have like total contacts, open conversations, resolved conversation, and broadcast metrics like recipient, send, deliver. So these are all the basic metrics. Okay, so this is usage and limits, how many message I have sent today. Okay, and this is automation health. This is saying that my last broadcast is test broadcast number 5 and the status is sent. Okay, so if I have any queries in this platform, I'll be scheduling the call with the TurboDev team. So I'll be going with one by one. So now I'll open the chat window. So this is the chat tab, so where you can have the chat with your customers. So once the customers are coming up, you can see the chat conversation over here. So Deepak has sent like, hi, I want to know more about this ad. So the window will be automatically open like 24 hours. This is a Facebook time, Facebook window period. So where you will be sending the messages. So whatever the message I send this to customer, there won't be charges. So if I send any marketing messages only for that, it will be charged. So I'm sending the template. Okay, so this by your dream home, this is a template created which I've already created, so I've sent this. Okay, the message also delivered. So this will be charged by the Facebook. So like it is a marketing messages. So I can also assign the agent. Okay, whatever the agent available, you can assign it. So default message will be open status. Okay, and once you resolve, you can change it here. And for making internal note with your team communication, you can just select the note tab. In this, I have converted this lead. I'm typing and saving the note. So this is the note which is saved in this chat conversation, but this message will not be sent to the customers. For making an internal note, you can keep it here. Okay, so this is all about the chatbot. Suppose if you want to block the customer, you're seeing this as a spam, you can keep it as block. Or if you want to schedule a reminder for yourself to make a follow-up reminder with this customer, you can keep it here. So coming to the contacts part, whatever the chat window you have these customers, right? So automatically those phone numbers will be saved as your customers in the contact. Okay, so you don't have to worry about that part. So suppose if you want to create the customer manually, you can just hit the add customer. You can hit the name, phone number, marketing opt-in, email, contact owner, and add tags like this lead came from Meta Business. Meta. So I'll be having it. I'll be hitting the save button. So it will be automatically edited. If you want to edit the customer's data, just click the row. You can edit it and update it. If you have, you can also have the filters also. Okay. And segment part. Here is the segment where you can send the bulk messages for particular target outreach, like particular region or particular any campaign you want to run it. Just hit the new segment. Okay, now I'm creating the segment like tags which contain people who came from website. So I'm going to target them. So I'm creating this and applying the status. I got Preeti and phone number, so they are opted in for market. So this lead came from website. I'm going to target like this. You can have like 1,000 customers or 100 customers, 500 customers. Okay, I'm creating this is test segment creating it. So a segment is created. So you can, if you want to view the count of the how many members are in this particular segment, you can just hit this. Okay, if you want to edit it, you can edit the segment. Coming to the chatbot. Okay, so where you can create the chatbot in this, for your business use case, you can create a specific chatbot for your business use case. So I'm just hitting the create button. You can create whatever the bot name. So once you created, you will be able to see the bot here. I'm clicking here. So I'll be adding the new flow. I have to make the flow, right? So I'll be clicking the add new flow, where I'll be giving the flow name for when to trigger this flow for any keyword or specific keyword. Okay, you can keep it here. And I already created a chatbot for testing purpose. So here it is. Okay, so like this, you can create whatever the chatbot you want. the flow will be like this. You will be creating, you want to send the text, you want to send a template, you can select a template, okay, button yes and no. I'll be creating a, so I'll be connecting over here. Once I got the message, I can create the flow, whatever the use case. Okay, and coming to the and this is the flow creation part, and you can see the logs of the bot, okay, here, and you can get the analytics of the bot, basic analytics you will be getting here, and settings, everything in this bot. And coming to the broadcast part, okay, where you will be sending the bulk message, okay, so I'll gonna teach you how to send the bulk message. Just hit the new broadcast, okay, and I'll be choosing this buy your dream home, and I already created the segment. If you want to create, you can create a new segment, or if you want to upload the contacts, you can upload it manually if you have any Google Sheets or docx file. So I'm choosing this test segment. I already have like one member, okay. I'm gonna send this targeting Bangalore audience. I can schedule it later also. Now you can schedule it later, like picking the date and time slot. Now I want to send it immediately. So before I send it, I will need to test it. I will be testing with my phone number whether this broadcast is working or not. So just hit the send button. You will be seeing, you will get the pop-up. Test broadcast completed. 1 is sent and 0 is failed. And I also received it. Okay, so the broadcast works. So I'll be sending the send broadcast now. So broadcast is completed. So you can hit the sync. So I have 1 contacts which is sent and 0 failed. Okay, and you can also download the reports of the particular this, and you can apply any date range period filters also. Coming to the template part, this is where you will be creating the templates, okay, for sending your customers. See, you can see the approved contacts, approved templates, okay, and rejected templates over here. I'll be creating the new template like order confirmation template. I'm selecting the category like marketing and choosing the language as English. Here you can keep whatever the image, video, document, location. Okay, you will be getting the preview over here. So I'm just getting hi, your order is confirmed. Thank you for ordering with us. I don't want any photo right now, so I'm just doing keeping feedback, and I'm giving rating. So I have 2 buttons, okay, and just once I completed, I can see the preview of the template. I will be setting the submit approval. So once you submit the approval, it will directly be sent to the Facebook. So Facebook will review your template. So once it is reviewed, you will be able to see this is as approved. Now right now it is pending. Okay, we have just sent it now. So you can click the sync button. So it will be synced. This is all about the template creation part. Okay, and coming to the integration part, like we have 16 integrations, so it will be completed in 1 or 2 weeks. Okay, and right now we are good to go with generic webhook. Okay, that is ready and tested it. We have it in production. Okay, you just create a bot, just connect it, admin notify. So I'll be creating, and I'll be, once the webhook is created, you will be able to see the configuration. So you have to use this capture webhook for testing, and you will be, once you call this API, you will be able to get the sample data here, and this URL will be used for production. Okay, So I already created a webhook. Okay, so I have called this API for sample response. I am sending this test and the phone number. Okay, name and phone number, and I'll be creating this workflow. Okay, where the workflow I'll be sending the recipient name. Okay, I'll be choosing the data from the web sample response which you sent now. And if you want any condition, you can keep any conditions. Okay, you can keep the conditions to match whether this workflow should start it only based on this condition. Right now I don't have any conditions. Okay, I'm just choosing this template. Okay, testing 24, welcome, thanks for joining us. Okay, so whenever this API is called, I have to send this message. Okay, so I've chosen this template, and if you want to create any actions, you can create like update contact, update email, phone tags, contact tags, updating marketing card, you can choose it. So this is all about the generic webhook. So whenever you call this particular API, the data will be performed, the operation will be performed. Okay, coming to the analytics part, you will be having the all the platform data's analytics here. So how many open conversation is there, how many resolved conversation is there, and total number of conversations which is happening in this platform. Okay, and total number of WhatsApp template messages and WhatsApp business initiator. WhatsApp business initiator is nothing but, so how many message you sent outside the 24-hour window period. Okay, that is. And WhatsApp free entry points is nothing but people who are sending the message from the click to WhatsApp ads. So you'll be having like 72-hour window period. So if you're sending the message outside the 72-hour window period, that will be calculated as WhatsApp free entry point. Okay, and you'll be getting bot session data, and you'll be having conversation, new contact, conversation data, WhatsApp message status. And coming to the settings part, you'll be having the WhatsApp channel. Okay, where will be account name, your phone number, your ID, WABA address also. Okay, and coming to the basic business, this is the quality rating. Facebook is giving a like 3 quality rating. One is green, another one is yellow, another one is red. Okay, if you keep on spamming, it will automatically detected as red color, and if you're spamming like if you're just started with spamming, it will be noted as yellow color. Okay, Facebook verification, right now it is a fresh account, so you'll be able to send only 250 messages per day. So once you verified it, the verification will take like 5 to 10 minutes. Once you verify it, you will be having like 1000 messages per day. And once you hit that threshold, like sending 1000 messages per day, you will be able to get like 100k messages per day limit. Okay, after that it will be keep on scaling up once you meet those threshold. And coming to the WhatsApp channel profile, you can keep the display picture, address, business description, email, category, website URL, about either I'm using this, whatever you. Once you complete this, just hit the apply button. Okay, and this is the tab for team management, where you can add the users for your particular workspace. Okay, you can create the user, admin, owner. And coming to the canned response, this is the quick reply. So I have created like hello, thanks for reaching out with us. So I'll just show it. This is the button where you can send the quick replies. This message will be automatically sent to this customer. And coming to the help part, we have like a ticketing system. So whether you are having any queries in this with the particular platform, you can raise a ticket and you can see the tickets over here, whichever the tickets is in progress. Okay, so our team will be giving you the dedicated responses for you, and whatever the ticket you rises, and we'll be solving within 1 or 2 hours. Okay, maximum it will be, the ticket will be cost around like 8 hours. And if you have any immediate query or urgent query, you can connect with us in WhatsApp support. Okay, you can talk with us. So this is the section where you can create the new workspaces. Okay, and right now that's it all about this platform. Thank you.